kids wear collections and men's wear collections. Real manufactured, give you 20 to 25 best ladies wear categories. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Company. Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesaria Textile Company. In today's video, you're going to be seeing some of the extraordinary beautifully collections, in particular kurtis, and any of the varieties you're going to be liking. Have the screenshot set to screen available number. Yeah guys, we are Kesaria Textile Company. Let me give a quick intro about our company. We are one of the leading manufacturer brand or company in Surat. We situated in Millennium textile market at Ring Road, Surat guys. Yeah, we give you 20 to 25 best ladies wear category, and apart from that 20 to 25 ladies wear category, we are having some new two departments. So previously months we have started to manufacture kids wear collections and men's wear collections. Yeah guys, so no need to go 10 to 15 different shops guys. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Company. All the varieties you're going to be seeing real manufactured by our company. And let me tell you one more fact, that these in textile industry, we are the one who started this. In this barcode, how many pieces, what will be the range, what will be the fabric, how long, how length it gonna be having, all the details you will be getting in the barcode system guys. Yeah, we are the one who started in the textile industry this kind of the barcode systems, because the mode of transparent in business will be very beneficial for our company and business growth. So guys, range will be same. Either you will be the retailer, either you are a wholesaler, or either you are a student or a housewife, or you are doing any job. For all those, the range is fixed guys. Yeah, we don't judge you upon your background guys. So we are like you, like all of us. In one word, you are all our customers guys. For all those, there will be not having any kind of the partiality. The range is one and only one range for all the category, retailer, wholesaler, or XYZ, whatever the background you are having, or the housewife, or you want to start some of the part-time or generate income, part-time income sources, then this business for you. How? I'm explain later in this video. So keep tuned this video till the end. First of all, in my hand, these kind of the simple and sober collections, in particular sequenced work with the jaried work you will be having here. See guys, in these kind of the concepts you will be having. See guys, next variety I'm gonna showcasing you. See, in this you will be getting some of the beautiful 4-color multicolored flowered work. Upon those you will be getting pearls work also. See guys, how beautiful it was. In all these 6 to 7 different color shades you will be having here. No need to worry about any kind of the changes. See, upon this beautifully sequence work you will be getting, and multicolored threading work also you will be getting here. See, with the silver jaried work. See guys, in this you will be getting here these kind of the designs. In the fabric like rayon, cotton, that kind of the fabric you will be getting here. See, next one, which are highly preferred in the patterns of boys kurta guys, but we are having in the girls also in the kurtis. These kind of the sequence wear in whole kurti will be highly trending in many of our e-commerce platforms. This one, it's all you will be get at the factory rate guys. That's what I'm saying. And in this, with the beautiful variety in the V-neck concepts you will be getting here. See guys, range same. Yeah, I know in your mind you're having the question that we having the same design with the same color with the same size, 100 pieces or 50 pieces or 200 pieces. For all those, the price range will be same and you can place your order. Frankly guys, yeah, because we are the manufacturers, we provide you all the concepts in particular factory rate. See guys, next one, this kind of the beautifully sequenced work, and upon that you will be getting threaded work. See guys, in these sleeves patterns also you will be getting here. See, last but not the least, see, beautifully multicolored threading work, upon that golden jaried work, and these kind of the very beautifully beneficial buttas also you will be getting here. See guys, in this you will be getting, see, these are some of the buttas work you will be getting here. And guys, in this video you see many of the varieties, many of the collections, and that's all in this video. Your business journey now. Give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।